For step 9, you will need your gas tube, our Aero Precision low profile gas block. It has 2 set screws, an H3 or 32nd Allen key, your roll pin that holds the gas tube onto the gas block, and a small, I use a tack hammer for this, and then I'll use a small punch, being this one. So to start, I'm going to take the side with the holes and face it towards the end of the barrel. I'm going to take my fingers with the 2 rings and I'm going to slide it into the upper receiver through the groove in the barrel nut until it stops. Now, keep note, on a lot of gas tubes, most of them, there's a lip here so you can't go in farther than that. So with that on there, I'm going to take my gas block and slide it over the barrel with the hole facing the gas tube. Now, on this FN barrel, it's going to be a tight tolerance. So to start, the hole that you've seen in the gas tube here is going to be facing down towards the barrel. And I'm going to try to keep that way, and I'm going to twist this new gas block on. It's a little stiff, so what I'll do is I'll grab my nylon hammer here and give it a couple taps. Not too many because I don't want it, it's a very, very tight tolerance. And I'm just going to keep churning it. If I have to, I'll turn it all the way over. It doesn't matter as long as it keeps going towards the gas tube. You can put a little CLP on there, the gun lube. It doesn't look like we need to for this one. Okay, now I'm going to take my gas tube and slip it into the gas block. I'm going to loosen my vise so I can show you. I'm going to turn this. Stephen, if you would turn the camera a little bit. Here we go. And what I need to do is I need to make sure that this gas tube, where the roll pin goes, it lines up. That way I know, and I'll take my punch and kind of use it as a guide, and I can look through here and I know that I'm lined up. So the hole that's on the bottom is facing down. This is lined up. I'm going to take my little roll pin here. If you could see this, I'm going to get it started. Got my roll pin. I'm just going to give a couple taps there like this. Then I'm going to take my handy dandy little punch. Sorry, I watched too many shows with my children when they were younger. Make sure that's all the way in there. Now, I'm going to turn this back, lock it down. Thank you, Stephen. Now, I have to push this back until it's seated so that the hole in the barrel where the gas port comes up lines up with the hole in the lower gas block. So I got to go ahead and get that all the way down. I'm going to take my neoprene hammer again. Just tap it a couple times, top and bottom. I'm not banging on it. Now, I'm going to take a look down the barrel here. I'm all lined up. So now it's time to take this H3 32nd Allen key and tighten these set screws on the bottom. Man, this is really coming together. Some high quality American made parts. It's nothing better. Later we'll be having a video with a high quality 100% American made AK-47 pistol by Century Arms. And we'll do some other builds, AR builds with some high quality American parts. Now these are secure. And now we have the barrel nut, the gas tube, the gas block installed properly. Now we're ready to put the 15-inch P7M from F1 Firearms, proud American. It's got some QD attachment points here. I'll show you how that works later on. We're going to slide this on.